Hello friend, today I will show you how to add license and how to find when to add a license. So if you see my screen, there is a pop-up at the top where it says license problem. So how to go there? You can click on this icon as well. It will pop up, it will come only when you have a license issue. So you can click on this and it will redirect you to this page. Or if you wanted to see your license, you can go into organization and go into license info. So they both redirect you to the same page. So this is where I am now. If you see license status, it says license required. That means we are over the limit of whatever license we have purchased. There then comes the license model. It says co-termination, and below that it says convert to per device licensing. Now the co-termination is a licensing model provided by Meraki, in which all your device will have a same expiration date. So suppose if you have two firewall, Meraki firewall in your network or in your organization, then both the firewall will have same license expiration date. Whereas in per device licensing model, they will have the licensing expiration date when it was applied and as per the purchase. So for example, if you purchase a device with 1 year license and another device with 3 year license, then in per device licensing, the one device will expire at the end of 1 year, and another device will expire at end of 3 year. Whereas if you enable co-termination licensing feature, in this model you will get both the device to expire at the same time. Like it will calculate based on, like, it will add 1 year of one device and 3 year of another device and divide it by number of devices, like 1 year plus 3 year equal to 4 year, and it will divide it by 2 because we have 2 number of devices. So both the device will terminate at the end of 2 year. So this way the calculation is done. The calculation is done by the dashboard automatically based on the licensing model. In co-termination, we also get enterprise license and advanced security license. So either you can have an enterprise license or advanced security license in your dashboard. So suppose if you have 5 devices which you want to use on enterprise license, and another 5 device if you want to use on advanced security license, then you need to create 2 different organizations. You cannot have both the license model being used inside one organization. There is one more term, license true up. The license true up is used in per device licensing model, where you can buy license for 30 days, 1 day, 2 days, something like that, so that you can sync up all your device expiration date to a defined date, whatever you wanted to have. So let's suppose your one device is going to expire in January 31st, and another device is going to expire on March 31st. So what you need to do, you need to buy license true up, and wherein you will buy license true up for 2 months, and then they both will have and apply it on the device which is which expiring on 31st of January, and then they both will have the same date. So that's how you can tune up or true up your license expiration date in per device licensing model. So now here if you see, I have got MX64. My license limit at the moment is 0 and the current device count is 1. So I do not have any license for this device, so it's giving me license problem. So how to add a license then? So I will click on add another license, then it will give me option to license more devices or renew my dashboard license. So I will select renew my dashboard license, and I will add a license key, and then I will click on add license. Now if you see, term is 1 year, advanced security is enabled, system manager is enabled, and it says cancel or add license. So I will go and say it, add license. Now if you see, the license with the key is added, and my license status has gone from license problem to OK, and here is the key and it's working good for me. So friend, this is how you can add license for in your dashboard for any of the MX Meraki devices. Thank you.